Where on earth can you find an $1,800 mortgage in Hawaii? Let's find out now.
Aloha, it's Christy Nakamura from eXp Real.
Aloha. Today we are in a super cute condo down in Pearl City, super close to everything. So you've got public transportation nearby, it does have parking, you've got Sam's Club, eateries, the mall. There's so much life and activity going on right around here, but that is not the best part. This property has a VA assumable in the mid threes, which is going to make your mortgage around $1,800 a month, which is almost unheard of in Hawaii. You've got maintenance fees that are going to cover sewer, water, the master insurance policy, trash, all those types of things that is less than $700 a month. So with this, you're getting 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, a VA assumable with roughly 27 years with a low mortgage payment. You don't want to miss this opportunity. Give me a call today.